हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे स्केच बेस फीचर पार्ट डिजाइन का शाफ्ट एंड ग्रुप टूल के बारे में। पिछला वाला वीडियो में हम जाने थे पैड एंड पॉकेट टूल्स के बारे में। जैसे कि पैड एक एडिशन टूल होता है, उस टाइप का टूल शाफ्ट होता है। शाफ्ट इज एक्टिवेटेड बिकॉज it does not require any material, but group is not activated because ग्रुप के लिए हम लोग को मटेरियल चाहिए। तो पहले देख लेते हैं शाफ्ट का। तो शाफ्ट का डेफिनेशन में क्या क्या आता है। अब देखेंगे कि शाफ्ट के लिए एनी टाइप ऑफ डिजाइन वी नीड ए स्केच और प्रोफाइल। ओके, सो here it is acting a profile for creating a shaft, and shaft is nothing but a revolve operation. Revolve, if a object is revolve, so how many angle it will revolve? It will revolve up to 360 degree. Okay, so here the first limit is 360 first limit, and the second limit angle also there. So in part design you have that there are some limit that up to next, up to left, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. Similarly in shaft also this option is available, and for a closed surface there is no need of a thick profile. If you want to apply the thick operation you can apply, and remember one thing, shaft is a revolve operation, and revolve means it will take one reference, and that reference may be your axis, may be your line, may be your edge. Okay, so remember this one. And in the second you have thin shaft, what is the thickness, neutral fiber, merge, and all these things you will cover in this video. Okay, so let's go with the shaft. Okay, this is my profile. You can see I have created two profile. One is your sketch 1 and sketch 2, and sketch 1 you can see it is a closed profile. If you go with this sketch analysis or sketch analysis, you can see here it is a closed profile. Here it is a closed profile. So, and here one axis I have taken. Exit out and reverse shaft in the shaft this, and okay, let me change this color so it will be easily understand. Okay, you can see this is the shaft I have done in the sketch 1. So double click here, you can give the thickness also. See the thickness I have added 9 mm, but I want to thick only 1 mm, and the second thickness also 1 mm. Okay, and what is mean by this natural fiber? See, whatever the thickness is there, it will distribute from this axis. So let in the second limit I have given 0, and first thickness is 2. If I will give the natural fiber, it will distribute from the middle axis. Both the side it will add same material 1 mm and 1 mm. Please. Okay, so this is the first shaft creation, and here the first sketch it is a close profile. That's why you have given it has taken the what is that shaft. Now come with the open profile. I will apply the shaft, and here the second sketch 2, and you can see it is not taking preview. It is it is telling this is not a, it is impossible because it elimination of the main part, because it is not a closed profile. So what you need to do is you need to add a thickness here. Check on the thickness and give the thickness here to 1 mm. 1 mm thickness preview. See, And if you give this 1 mm thickness and natural fiber, so both the side what is the thickness will be add 0.5 0.5 both the side it will automatically add. So you can, if you give your 5 mm or 6 mm, then natural fiber or means both the side it will add 3 mm 3 mm preview. Okay, so in this way we can create the shaft. Now we have other option also. I will hide this one. Now I will go with the other option. Now we'll see what is the difference between the natural fiber and merged fiber. So here I will apply the shaft here. Okay, shaft and this sketch 6. Okay, you can see it is impossible because it has no thickness. So I will give a thickness here, and thickness value is 6 mm. You can see the thickness value is 6 mm. And if I will see just hide answer, if I calculate the thickness, measure between this to this surface, these two surface. Okay, just calculate any geometry. Let this line here line. Okay, this edge. Okay, and the surface. So what is this? It is 6 mm. Okay, but now I will change this to natural fiber. Okay, now you will clearly understand what is the difference of thickness with natural fiber. Preview. Okay, so now if you calculate this from the measure edge and the surface, it is 3 mm, and from this edge you can see it is 3 mm, means both the side it has adding 3 mm. So hope you got this natural fiber. Now comes to the other. So this is my 5th sketch. I have created here a profile and a axis, so an axis. So I will give a shaft, and you can see I have rotated this first angle 360 degree. Okay, I have just a second. Yes, here I applied the thickness. If you are not applying this thickness, and you can see it is closed surface. Okay, if you are not applying the thickness and it is taking the closed volume, how to check that one? We don't have any option. I believe dynamic sectioning is there. I believe it's there. Yes, you can see close volume. See, it is not a hollow section, but I want a hollow section inside. So in that case, what you need to do is you need to do shaft. You need to give the thickness, double click, and here I apply the thickness. Let it is 2 mm or 1 mm. Here I will apply natural fiber, and see natural fiber. If I keep the thickness, see what happens. It is taking thickness 2 mm, but it is a hollow. It is not merged with this. So in that condition, what you need to do is double click on this the shaft, and here 1 mm thickness is there. Just merge, and whatever the edge will be there, it will merge with the axis. So preview. Okay, now your merge edge has been defined, and you can see the difference. Without merge edge it is hollow, without merge edge it is hollow, but with merge edge it is filling the surface. But and if you want to check with this, it's a hollow surface. You can see it's a hollow surface, it's not fill. Okay, it is only, and the thickness is 1 mm. Hope you got the concept of shaft. Now we'll go with the other option, the opposite tools, that is your group. Okay, so let's try with group. Let's try with group. Okay, now I'll delete this group first. See, one operation is there, one pad is there. I already explained to you, without any physical body or physical model, group won't be activated, group tool won't be activated. So that if any material is there in your part, then only group will be activated. Group option also the same, it need a profile. If it is a closed profile, you should go with the closed profile directly, no need to give the profile thick profile. If it is an open profile, so you should give the thick profile. And similarly, it has some option, up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. If you have this, you want to know this concept, you should go to my playlist and find the video of pad and pocket. So now I will give, okay, I will select this sketch 9, and you can see here 39. So I want 180 degree, it should be removed. So you can see 180 degree it is removed. If I want this group up to plane, so I want this I want in Z plane. So you can see it has removed Z plane up to the plane. It has removed the totals because it is starting from this this point and ending with this plane also. So it is removed the total. So in this way we can remove the use the group. Now here also, here you will understand what is the use of a group. So here in this sketch 8, I have created a line and a axis. So what I need to do is just go with the group, and here it is taking the what is that, sketch and the revolute axis, and go with the mode. If I will apply the thickness, see, if I will apply the thickness and preview, nothing is removed. Okay, if I will give here some thickness value, then only it has removed some material, you can see. But I want in vertical removal. So at that condition, what you need to do is just go with this, apply okay, and remove the thickness. So automatically whatever the thing, it will remove. Okay, and see the difference. If I will give the thickness 1 mm and merge the end, see, it is removing, material is removing, but it is remove only the 1 mm thickness. See, if I will increase this thickness, see how much it is removing. You can see by measuring this any geometry, sorry, go with the surface, and here it is the surface. How to use the measuring tool, I have already created one video on measuring tools in the infrastructure playlist. You can find the video in my playlist. So you can see that thickness which I have added is 10 mm. Okay, so if you see here, the thickness is 10 mm. If you remove this thickness profile, preview, and you can see it has removed all the total profile which we have created in sketch 8. So hope you got some knowledge on this shaft and group. Any doubt, you just drop a comment in the comment box. I will try to give you your answer. Thank you.